Wow, so cute. And they prepared a birthday cake. Wow. So nice. Even the weather is not that nice, it still looks pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. So excited! Doesn't feel like a birthday trip yet because of weather. See you when I am not this crusty. Small coconut. Oh, we ordered so many food. Can't wait to eat. Wow! Lotus veggie salad, pancakes, spring roll, fish.
It's not like Ho Chi Minh.
Spring roll. Not bad.
Right.
Wrong season to come to Da Nang, guys. We didn't check the weather. Although I expected it would be gloomy and rainy, but this is kind of scary. So remember, don't come to Da Nang in November or December. It's gonna be the monsoon season, and it looks like this. Gray sea. Gotta go before it starts raining. It's still pretty though. Dinner, lamb and fish and chips.
Sure. Okay, pretty much.
Wait, take a picture of me, please.
Oh, right. You have everything.
Weather is so nice, the sun. We're going to Bana Hills today. Peak of the day. We're going to get breakfast. Why? It smells good. Hi. Congee, omelette. It's like a Vietnam chong fan. Awesome. So sour. We're at Bana Hills and it started raining right when we arrived. Okay, we'll look for raincoats. A preview of what we are going later. Got a new scarf, but it's raining. It's raining. So cold. It's crazy out here. Wow. We bought this just now. It's like bouldering. Stop. Pop Mart in Vietnam. Wow. Wow, so cute. Wow, it has 3 stories. That's loud. So cute. Getting to the box is cute. Okay. Yay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yay! Skull Panda outdoor photo area. What? So we're gonna unbox what I got just now. Minion Puffy Fairy. I want the one that has Bob.
What'd you get?
I will give it to you.
What? No, I don't want it. Please don't give it to me.
Cute but it's so funny. It's like doing kung fu. Traveler.
Space cat.
It's like riding a cat. So, because this is like a traveling. This is perfect because I'm traveling and the fairy is traveling. So I got the travel fairy. Oh, it smells so good.
It smells very sweet, very fresh.
That's very flavorful. We're gonna go to Brew House now. Going on down there. Hot chicken. It tastes like tom yum. See you when we're back in our hotel. Let's try it. It's like, it tastes like honey.
I think it's the same as yours. It tastes like the crab noodle that we had last time.
Yeah, it tastes like honey. I like this noodle.
Lunch one.
You know what is this?
You need to try the tea. Drink tea, baby.
Chili is so spicy.
Thank you for saving me. I was so thirsty.
Hello! I love Grab so much because it's so convenient and so fast. Then we ordered banana latte, banana pudding. Look at this, so cute. Then this is the rambutan milk tea that Coconut has. We tried it in Ho Chi Minh last time and it's so delicious. That's so good. There's like rambutan inside also. Mmm! Ta-da! So good, right? This is the... Oh, it does smells like banana.
This one smells very creamy.
Oh, you like this? It's called latte banana. It does have banana taste. It's like real banana. It's not like those artificial banana.
Mmm.
Yeah.
I taste the banana.
This is good. Katina never disappoint. See you in our next hotel. It's gonna be in Hoi An and it's gonna be by the river. Apparently that hotel have like really good breakfast. Let's see it will top this breakfast.